Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the sales on eBay from January 4th, 2022. A little bit of a slow day yesterday. I was able to get 50 postcards listed. I dipped below 31,000 listings, so I want to build that up, and I want to try to double that by the end of the year, but we'll see how that goes. I don't know if that's actually going to get anywhere close to that. I also finished up 5 more videos in the Beginner's Guide series, and those will be releasing over the next couple weeks. And because my sales dipped, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to do anything except try to get off my butt and list more. Let's go ahead and get into what sold. You can see I had 12 orders for $108.89. There were no sales over on HIP. And I got a comment on yesterday's video if HIP is even worth it anymore. I just downloaded my HIP sales for 2021. I had 532 orders for $5,442. So, yeah, I think it's worth it, but you'll have to make that determination on your own. We'll go ahead and get started with the sales from yesterday. Here's a Tampa, Florida, Tampa Bay Hotel entrance. Another old card, 8-9 years, listed on eBay. Best offer of $6. This is large letter greetings from San Diego, California. I have many copies of this. Pennies into it. Got a whole lot of these at the postcard auction from August 2021. Sold for $249. Next, World War II military wiped them out. Hitler, Hirohito, Mussolini toilet paper. $15.29 best offer. I'm quite surprised this card remained listed. You cannot list Hitler postcards. At least any Hitler cards I've ever had up have been taken down. So I'm just surprised this one stayed up. What did I say? $15.29 for that one. Maybe because it's a humor card. I'm not sure. This is a Valentine's bargain hearts selling cheap in stores. Artist signed clap saddle. Oh, my head's there it is. There's her signature. A little bit of damage on that card. And I took a best offer of $12. Punta Gorda, Florida Shrimp House Restaurant Package Store, 1950s. There's that. I don't know where the package store is. I guess I just got it from the wording there. $6.50 on a best offer. Pritchett, Colorado, Jack Ratcliffe mule drawn covered wagon. I see a lot of these Jack Ratcliffe. I see a lot of these postcards of him. I really don't sell a whole bunch, but this one sold. Best offer of $6. Next, Lawrence, Kansas, Ford Tri-Motor Airplane Tin Good. Look at that, Tin Goose. I called it Tin Good. Well, it's still sold. Best offer of $15. The person who bought this said they knew one of the pilots, so I thought that was interesting. Yeah, $15 best offer on the misspelling Tin Goose. West Virginia, Harper's Ferry, West Virginia, whitewater rafting, Shenandoah River. Never done that here in close to West Virginia. I've been whitewater rafting before, but never over in West Virginia. $5.99 for that card. Endwell, New York, 1950s dual view Endwell Tavern Bar interior. And there's that. Wow, someone wanted $6 for it, probably in an antique mall. So there's that for $6.99. Merry Christmas, Bright New Year Woman, Babies in Pond and Flowers. See a lot of these cards with little babies all over them. I think it's like a French thing. $8 best offer. Next, this is U.S. Navy ship USS Northampton, CA. So that's armored cruiser, 26. Real photo, RPPC. Probably got this at the York Postcard show a couple years ago. Paid a quarter for it, probably. $7. And the last card, Minneapolis, Minnesota, 1913 view of Northwestern Hospital. There's that. Sold for $8.19. So yeah, slow sales day compared to what it's been over the last month. I'm not complaining. Just got to list more. So anyway, thank you for watching. Keep an eye out over the next couple weeks for not the rest of the series, but at least 5 more videos on the series. And I think that got me up to video 17. And I still think we're on track for 22 to 23 videos in the complete series. Leave a comment below if you want to see me do any other videos. Like I said, I got a lot to put out over the next couple weeks. But if there's anything in specifically you'd want to see, you'd like to see a video on, let me know. As always, thank you for watching.